The LightningMTS 225 welder is a versatile tool, offering MIG, AC/DC pulse TIG, and stick welding capabilities, making it a true all-in-one solution for various welding jobs. Its dual voltage feature allows it to operate on both 120-volt and 240-volt power sources, providing flexibility for different work environments. The welder's power set function enhances usability with a synergic function across all processes, ensuring ease of use even for less experienced welders. With its digital IGBT inverter technology, this welder provides improved control, dependability, and performance across all modes. The LightningMTS 225 welder includes convenient features like a built-in gas solenoid and connections for TIG, eliminating the need for additional gear. Its adjustable settings, such as MIG-wave arc force control and stick arc force, allow for precise customization, improving overall weld quality and user satisfaction.